Hi, good morning. I hope you are enjoying the benefits of knowledge given here. These are not theoretical, it is totally practical. So, you are getting the practical tips. So, today let's talk about the benefits of drinking ample amount of water. You must be knowing all these things, but there are few things you don't know about that. So, let's understand few evidence based health benefit of drinking plenty of water. So, water helps in maximizing your physical performance. It increases the energy and relieves the fatigue from your body. Since your brain is mostly made up of water, so drinking it helps you think, focus, and concentrate better and to be more alert. Water may help to relieve constipation also. It helps to prevent hangovers. It may improve memory. It may improve your mood. It can help reduce sugar craving in your body and aid weight maintenance. It may improve exercise performance. It may reduce headache and migraines. Whenever you have a headache and you will drink a glass of water, so definitely you will feel a relaxed mind. It may help to prevent constipation in children, even in adults also. It may help to prevent kidney stones. Whenever somebody has stones in the kidney, and doctors always suggest to drink a lot of water. It may help to reduce risk of bladder infections. When we drink water, so it flushes out toxins from our body. It improves the skin complexion. It maintains the regularity in our body. Our body is made up of more than 70% of water, not exactly water, but in the form of fluid which contains water. Everybody knows about the benefit of water in your body, but due to the busy routine we usually take it as granted about the water. We don't drink sufficient amount of water which is required in our body. Actually, the water requirement is not that fixed. It depends upon the weight and the height of your body. Few people says every day one should drink 2 liters or 3 liters of water, but there is really not fixed amount of water required in your body. It depends on your body weight, on the climatic conditions. So make sure you are drinking sufficient amount of water till the time the color of urine is white. This is very simple trick to check the content of water in your body. I think this information is sufficient about the water. Now let's move to the second task, which is also very important, and that is taking a 5 minutes of break while working. So taking breaks help you to stay focused over a longer period of time. Breaks can help you to retain information in your memory. Taking short breaks every now and then help you to refocus, and your big picture of goal get fulfilled very easily and very in a very simplified manner. Experts suggest that taking a break every 75 to 90 minutes for at least 5 to 7 minutes increases your productivity almost 3 times. That means you learn anything 3 times faster than the usual learning. So taking breaks at work can make you happier and more focused. Just set a timer of 25 minutes or 50 minutes or 60 minutes as per your convenience, and when it goes off, take a short break of 5 minutes and restart the thing. This will definitely improve your productivity, and ultimately your work will be completed very easily.